Plasma Whips. Two arc reactor-powered whips made of flexible, heavy-duty cables that glow with intense white-hot plasma energy. Ivan Vanko controls them with specialized gauntlets linked to his exosuit. These whips generate immense heat and electrical disruption, capable of slicing cleanly through a Formula One racing car, deflecting repulsor blasts, and tearing through Tony Stark's Mark V armor. Their kinetic impact combined with thermal energy makes them deadly at mid-range. Anti-gravity tech. Gravitational manipulation emitters built directly into Ultron's metallic hands and fingers. Utilizing reverse-engineered Chitauri tech, Ultron uses this to manipulate gravity field densities around specific objects. He pulls massive chunks of Earth out of the ground, lifts debris to use as shields, and uses it to violently pull or throw his opponents. Its ultimate application was scaling this technology up to lift the entire city of Sokovia into the sky to create a world-ending meteor, Neurostunner, a handheld pocket-sized silver cylinder that emits a high-frequency neural pulse when activated. Stana uses it twice, first on Raza and later to completely paralyze Tony Stark so he can rip the arc reactor from his chest. When pressed against the target's ear, it causes instant temporary paralysis, leaving the victim fully conscious but completely unable to move or speak. Sonic cannons, dish-shaped acoustic weapon arrays mounted on the backs of military Humvees. These cannons generate highly focused, ultra-high frequency sound waves. The pressure waves are strong enough to trap Hulk in a localized kinetic field, bringing him to his knees by overwhelming his super hearing and causing massive physical discomfort. War Machine also used a miniature version of these cannons against Wanda Maximoff. Reduction discs, small, coin-sized throwing discs filled with Pym particles. Red discs shrink objects down, while blue discs enlarge them. These can be thrown like shurikens at any object or target to instantly alter their scale while preserving kinetic momentum. Powered weapons. These weapons range from standard pistols and assault rifles to massive tank cannons, all featuring glowing blue chambers containing extracted Tesseract energy. Unlike regular projectile firearms, these blast a continuous beam of bright blue energy. On contact, the raw cosmic force doesn't just pierce the target, it vaporizes them instantly. They completely revolutionized World War II warfare until Captain America dismantled Hydra's bases. Gravity Mine, a compact metallic disc that expands and illuminates with blue light when thrown onto a surface. Once deployed, it generates a powerful localized gravitational singularity, creating a localized inward pull that pins multiple targets to a single point or yanks them off their feet into the air. Being able to completely immobilize Thanos' arm shows how capable this item is. Vibranium Gauntlets. A pair of heavy forearm-mounted gauntlets sculpted to look like stylized panther heads. Function primarily as energy blast projection weapons. They channel and focus sonic energy and raw kinetic power into concentrated high-impact blue blast. Unlike traditional guns, they can easily knock back superpowered beings, shatter physical barriers, and blast away Outrider hordes. They also double as durable shields since they are solid vibranium, allowing Shuri to block incoming physical attacks effortlessly. Redwing, a highly advanced bird-shaped combat drone that docks directly into the backplate of Falcon's flight harness and detaches smoothly on command. Redwing serves as Sam's ultimate tactical eye in the sky. It features 360-degree thermal imaging, structural scanning capabilities, and target tracking linked directly to Sam's tactical goggles. In combat, it is exceptionally versatile. Equipped with a built-in machine gun, miniature grapple cables strong enough to pull a fully armored soldier, and can act as a high-speed projectile missile to knock down threats. Yaka Arrow, a slim, glowing golden arrow forged from Centaurian Yaka metal. It is controlled exclusively by a specialized cybernetic head fin that responds directly to the wielder's high-frequency whistling patterns. This is easily one of the deadliest single-target weapons in the galaxy. When Yondu whistles, the arrow defies physics, hovering, changing directions instantaneously in mid-air, and accelerating to supersonic speed. It can cleanly pierce through starship hulls, heavy armored vehicles, and dozens of enemies in a single, continuous, sweeping motion before returning safely to its leather hip holster.